Accounts payable in S4. Hope you are all doing practice right for GL accounting.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Create company code and do all the settings. Follow my recording. Okay. Same way you do it, you create your own company code, everyone. Now, today we are going to learn about accounts payable module in S4. So basically in accounts payable, when we talk about accounts payable, this is integrated with material management module. So in a real time, mostly all the transactions are happening, mostly 99% transaction happen through MM and only entry will get flow to finance. Okay, there are very rare transactions in which organization makes purchases without purchase order. You can post through finance. So initially in our course, we are learning only financial entry. Okay. At last, we'll learn integration between FI and MM. So now to start with, in S4 HANA, in S4, so previously in ECC, we used to create the vendor master. But in S4, we have to create the business partner master, BP master data. Then first you have to create the BP master and then you have to extend the role. There are different types of vendors are there, finance vendor, and you have MM related vendor. Likewise, based on the role, you have to extend and create the vendor master. First thing is create the business partner master. Okay. So to create the business partner, we have to do configuration settings. Okay. So there are two types of configuration settings we need to do it. One configuration settings related to creation of vendor master and then another configuration setting to create the business partner master. Okay. First thing is configuration settings. For the vendor master. Here, first we need to define the vendor account group. The way you define, right, in ECC, the transaction code is OBD3. Same way, there is no change in S4 HANA. Then you need to define the number ranges. Here, you have to define the number ranges using XKN1. There is no change. Only the requirement is if you are creating your business partner code and vendor code same, then you need to activate external. You have to make the number ranges as external. If you want to keep your business partner code and vendor code same, then make it external, this number ranges. Then assign number ranges to vendor account group. The transaction code is OBAS. So there is no change. So the way you were creating vendor account group in ECC, same way you are creating it here also. Only the difference here is while creating the number range, if you are creating a business partner code and vendor code same, then make it external. In case of BP code and vendor code are same, then make it external. Then, so normally in a real time, I have seen all the clients are keeping vendor code and business partner code are same. Same way, when they are doing account receivable, they are keeping the customer code and the business partner code same. So now create the reconciliation account. You know how to create the reconciliation account. This is the same way how we do it in ECC. There is no change. Now, after doing this, you have to do configuration related to business partner settings. So first we'll do this and then we'll come to this point. Okay. So to start with, I will go to SAP now. SPRO.
So this is same like the first one for vendor master data. It's just like the GL master data, and business partner settings are like the transaction data
No,
settings,
no,
right?
no,
So
no, 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 no. Business partner setting is not related to transaction data. Even business partner is also your master data.
business partner is also master data. Okay.
See, for
Okay.
example, why there is a concept of business partner has come in S4. Okay, one vendor may play different role. Okay, vendor might
Right.
be the customer also. Vendor might be the collection agent. Okay, for the organization. So for that purpose, what they have done is they want to bring all the things under one umbrella. Okay. So for that purpose, first they have created the relationship with vendor as a business partner. Okay. So they have given one common code for business partner. Okay. Then based on the role of the vendor, it's a financial vendor or a material management vendor or collection agent. Depending on the role, you have to just extend and create the master data. So it is easy for the reporting purpose also. Just they have to pull instead of creating different codes. Okay, in ECC, if there is a collection agent, then there would be a different code. If person is a vendor, then a different code would be there. So instead of having different codes, they are giving same code under one business partner. That's the reason why we are doing configuration first for business partner and then extending to the based on the rule, extending to the extending based on the different role of the vendor. Same way
Got
it
it, sir.
applies to the customer as well. Okay. SAP reference IMG. Now under financial accounting, account receivable and accounts payable, supplier account, master data, preparation for creating supplier master data. Here you can check here. So OBD3, what I have written. So this is you have to create in the same way. Now click on execute. So here, see, if you look at the here, vendor, there are not much vendor account groups are created. 1 minute, I'm giving you pause. So here we have a good chance because this is a new server. We can create same business partner code and vendor code. So now click on new entry. Let's say TADV, domestic vendor account group for TA00 company. Enter and save. So TADV we have created as TADV. Then create the number ranges. So this number ranges is useful to create the vendor code. So there are two types of number ranges are there. Okay, one number range will help you to create the vendor code, which is useful for master data. Another number range is useful for transaction data that will help to generate the document number range. Now, if you look at here, create number ranges for vendor account. It's KN1. Create Click on change interval. So there are so many number ranges are available. So we'll go ahead with T1 for our company. T1. Here, see, there some number ranges are being used here. So we'll use 3 series. So T1 is our number range. Now click on activate external checkbox. Save this. So normally you should not activate this in ECC. What is the meaning of activating external means? You want to create the vendor account group manually in ECC, but here it has got different meaning. If you are activating external means you want to have the same business partner code and vendor code. Now back. Now assign number ranges to vendor account group. TADV.
Sir, if business partner code and vendor codes are same, we do not check the external.
No, we should check the external.
Okay.
We should check the external. Okay. Then only it
That
will
T
allow you
code
to
was,
have. Sorry. Yeah. What did you say?
that T code was OBD3 only, na sir?
Yeah. All the T codes are remaining same between ECC and
No,
S4.
no. Like right now, we check the external box while we were, creating the vendor
Number
IDs, no
that is
number range.
XKN1. XKN1.
XK in one. Okay.
Same. It is there. Same in ECC also.
Yes, sir.
So if you want to make same, normally all the client have seen they are using same business partner code and same vendor code, and even customer code also they are keeping same. So that is a right process. Everybody are following. I never seen any client they are using different business partner code and vendor and customer code. So that's why you have to make it external. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, hope you have done this also, right? Yeah, we have assigned this. T1. Now create the reconciliation account. So you know, right? Reconciliation account is equal to one sundry creator account. You have to do it in FS00, 100500. TA00 is the T code. Click on create. GL account type, balance sheet account, account group, liabilities, short text, trade payable or sundry creditor. You can give anything. Domestic, trade payable, domestic. Here you need to activate the vendor. You need to assign the vendor code. So in case if you are creating any reconciliation account, no need to activate the balance in local currency. Okay. System won't accept. Short key 012, which is vendor number. Then YB67 is a reconciliation account. Group, field status group for reconciliation account. Now click on save. So we are able to create a reconciliation account also.
Sir, we don't have to activate balance in local currency because they might be foreign vendors also.
Yeah, so as per the rule, if you follow my notes previously, whatever I have provided to you, so for
Yes, sir.
reconciliation account, you don't need to activate the only balance in local currency. Technically, system won't accept this. It might be foreign transaction also because of that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
Now we have to do configuration related to business partner. So here also we need to define the number ranges for business partner and account group. We'll see. Go to SPRO. SAP reference IMG. So business partner is common for all modules, right? So it is not only specific to finance module. It can be used by MM module. It can be used by SD module. Any module they can use. So anything which is common for all module now. So you will find this under cross application component here. Under this, you will find SAP business partner, then business partner, basic settings. See, number ranges and grouping. Define number range and define grouping and assign the number ranges. You may want to write the T code as well. Define number ranges. BUCF is the T code. So these number ranges we are defining for business partner code. See, same setting we are doing here for business partner as well. For we have defined number ranges here for creation of vendor. Here we are defining for creation of business partner. T code is BUCF. Now, second thing is, so first we'll define BUCF, change interval. So here also we'll use the same code, 3 lakhs. T1 is the number range, 3 lakh to 3 lakh 19. Okay, here you don't need to activate external, okay? Only at the vendor account, vendor number range level, save it. Any doubts so far?
No,
This,
sir.
no, sir. Yeah, so here also we have defined T1. In the next configuration setting here, go back, define grouping and assign number ranges. So here in this point, I mean in this configuration setting, what you are doing, you are defining the group, at the same time you are assigning this number range. It is as same as OBS, this one. Okay, it is as same as OBS. These settings. So this setting is equal to this setting because here you are defining assigning the number range to vendor account group, right? So here you are defining the group as well as assigning the number range. TB001. So I will copy here. We'll see. Large character only we'll use. So here we'll assign TADV. We'll make business partner group also TADV. Execute. Click on new entry. This is business partner group. Grouping means TADV. BP group for TA00, business partner group for TA00. So you have just defined the BP group and also at the same time you are assigning the number range. T1. T1 is the number range. Just now we have defined. So these both are for, this group is for business partner and this number range is also for business partner. Save this. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Great. So Vasir, you also don't have any doubt, right?
No, sir.
Now, next thing what we need to do is we need to do synchronization. Means you have to do master data synchronization. This one. Under master data synchronization, customer or vendor integrations, setting for financial accounting. 1 minute, not this one, sorry. business partner setting. Okay, setting for vendor integration, field assignment for vendor integration, assign keys, define number assignment for direction to business partner. So in this step, what we are doing, if you notice here, we are merging two groups, vendor account group as well as business partner group. And at the same time, we are asking the system to have the same number here. See, TADV and TADV. So both are, see, one is business partner group and another one is vendor account group. You are activating this option, same number, save it. Okay. In case if you are not activating external to the vendor account group, okay, if you are trying to activate here same number, then system won't allow you. It will throw an error. Okay, understand this point also?
Yes, sir.
So we have done master data synchronization. Third step, third point. So in that, what we have done, assignment to business partner. This is very, very important. That's why I am again taking this. Okay. Otherwise, you will lose everything. So now we have done with the required setting. Okay. We are good to create the master data. Create business partner master data. Now, BP is the T code. I am opening one more session. Go to BP. In ECC, it was a different T code was there. For creating the vendor, FK01 is the T code. So now, once you come to the BP, click on organization. See, business partner can be a person or organization or a group. So mostly you have to click on create organization. Now you have to find out your business partner group here. So we have created TADV.
Sir, in ECC, FK01 was the T code to create business partners.
Not vendor, business partner, vendor code. But in ECC, we were not creating business partner, right? So
Okay.
to create the vendor, we had a T code like FK01.
Okay.
But
So
here,
in ECC, we didn't have the concept of business partner.
no, we
anymore.
didn't have the concept of business partner, and also
Okay.
here you have only common T code BP to create vendor code also. Okay. Now, first thing is we are
Sir.
creating the business partner in general role. Tell me.
Sir, but nowadays the companies who are using S4 HANA, so we need to create business partner. It's compulsory, right?
Mandatory.
It's mandatory. Without that, we cannot proceed forward.
Yes, correct.
Okay. Because I got the same doubt when I was creating vendor master. So I left here in S4 HANA previously.
Okay. No, it is mandatory. Without
Okay,
having,
sir.
I mean, this is the only one T code through which you can create vendor code. See, first thing is this is the general role for creating business partner. Okay. It is a kind of general data segment. You are selecting your account group. Okay. Select the title, company. Let's say XYZ Steel Limited. Give the search term as TA00, your company code, same as. Postal code is mandatory, 5,24,000, Hyderabad, country IN. Scroll down, language ki English. Then you have to click on save. Once you click on save, business partner will be generated. Save, observe here. See, 3 lakhs. Now, once you have done this, click on display or change. Now, select the role FLC. FLVN 000 for financial accounting supplier. So if you keep cursor here, so if you read here FLVN 00 supplier financial accounting new means it is not created. If it is created, then it will show you maintain. So if it is new, then you have to create the vendor code. You have to extend the vendor code for financial accounting. So you have selected FLVN 00 for financial accounting. Now click on company code data. It will ask for the company code TA00. Now select the reconciliation account. Sort key 012. Other things. Payment terms 0001. Check double invoice. Now this is showing external, right? The moment I save, this code also come here. Means because vendor code is also having 3 lakh series. Right?
Yes, sir.
So I want to stop the class now. Again, we'll meet 8:15. Is that okay?
8:15 or 50?
15.
So can we make it 8:30?
Okay, no problem.